Are you tired of relying on pills for better performance but not seeing the results you want? What if there's a vitamin that acts like natural Viagra? The hero of our story is none other than vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Surprised? Most people know vitamin D for its role in bone health, but its benefits extend far beyond. Research suggests that vitamin D can significantly impact your energy levels, vitality, and yes, even your performance in the bedroom. Vitamin D, dubbed the sunshine vitamin because our body manufactures it when exposed to sunlight, is a powerhouse of health benefits that many of us are just beginning to understand fully. Far from its singular association with bone density and calcium absorption, this nutrient holds the key to a myriad of bodily functions that can revolutionize how we approach our overall health and well-being. At its core, vitamin D facilitates the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, essential for strong bones and teeth. However, its influence stretches into the realms of the immune system, mood regulation, and muscle function, making it a critical component not just for physical health but mental wellness too. When it comes to vitality and performance, especially in intimate moments, vitamin D plays an unexpectedly crucial role. Its impact on energy levels and vitality is profound. Adequate levels of this vitamin are associated with improved mood and a decrease in fatigue, which can indirectly boost performance and desire. The connection between vitamin D and bedroom performance specifically lies in its ability to support endothelial function. The endothelium is a thin membrane lining the inside of the heart and blood vessels, playing a significant role in cardiovascular health, including blood flow regulation. Healthy blood flow is essential for performance, and vitamin D's role in maintaining endothelial health makes it a natural facilitator of this process. Moreover, vitamin D influences the production of testosterone, a hormone closely linked to libido and performance in both men and women. Studies have found that lower levels of vitamin D are associated with reduced levels of testosterone, which in turn can impact performance and overall energy levels. Given its wide-ranging impact on health and its specific benefits for vitality and performance, vitamin D emerges not just as a supplement, but as a vital component of a holistic approach to well-being. Its role in enhancing intimate performance, much like the effects of Viagra, is just one of the many benefits that make vitamin D a true superhero vitamin in our daily lives. Why it works like natural Viagra. Vitamin D's role in maintaining endothelial health is a cornerstone for optimal blood flow. This is because the endothelium releases substances that control vascular relaxation and contraction, as well as enzymes that regulate blood clotting, immune function, and platelet adhesion. These functions are vital for maintaining the flexibility and integrity of the blood vessels, ensuring that blood can flow freely and reach all parts of the body, including the areas critical for sexual health. But how exactly does vitamin D influence this system to act similarly to Viagra? Viagra works by increasing nitric oxide levels, which relaxes blood vessel walls, thereby improving blood flow to certain areas of the body. Vitamin D, on the other hand, contributes to the production and effectiveness of nitric oxide in the blood vessels. This not only aids in lowering blood pressure, but also enhances blood flow throughout the body, including the sexual organs, thus supporting arousal and performance naturally. Furthermore, vitamin D deficiency has been linked to various cardiovascular diseases, such as hypertension and atherosclerosis, which can impede blood flow and diminish sexual function. By ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D, individuals may protect against these conditions, promoting better blood vessel health and, by extension, more robust and enduring performance. Moreover, vitamin D supports muscle health and strength, a less direct but equally important factor in sexual performance. Stronger muscles contribute to stamina and physical ability, which can enhance the experience for both partners. Natural and food sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D is unique among vitamins because it can be synthesized by our body when exposed to sunlight. However, depending on geographic location, lifestyle, and skin type, getting enough sunlight to meet our vitamin D needs can be challenging. This is where diet and supplementation come into play. Natural sources. Sunlight. The most natural source of vitamin D is sunlight exposure. Just 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun several times a week can help most people produce sufficient vitamin D, depending on skin type, location, and time of year. It's important to balance sun exposure to avoid skin damage. Food sources. While few foods contain vitamin D naturally, there are some excellent sources to incorporate into your diet. Fatty fish and seafood. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and shrimp are excellent sources of vitamin D. A single serving of cooked salmon can provide more than the daily recommended intake of vitamin D. Mushrooms. Certain varieties of mushrooms can provide vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, much like humans. Look for mushrooms labeled as being rich in vitamin D. Egg yolks. While eggs don't pack as much vitamin D as fatty fish, they're a convenient way to get some vitamin D, especially if you consume the yolks. Fortified foods. Many countries fortify foods with vitamin D to help prevent deficiencies. This includes milk, dairy, and some plant-based alternatives, orange juice, and cereals. Always check the label to understand the vitamin D content. Supplementation. For those who struggle to get enough vitamin D from sunlight and food alone, supplements can be a viable option. Vitamin D supplements come in two forms: D2 ergocalciferol and D3 cholecalciferol. Vitamin D3, derived from animal sources, is generally recommended as it's the type the body naturally produces in response to sun exposure. Usage guidelines. The recommended daily allowance, RDA, for vitamin D varies by age, gender, and life stage, but for most adults, it's 600 to 800 international units per day. However, some research suggests higher doses may be beneficial, especially for those with low blood levels of vitamin D or limited sun exposure. It's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to determine the right dosage for your individual needs and to avoid exceeding the safe upper limit. Incorporating these natural and food sources of vitamin D into your daily routine can significantly contribute to your overall health, vitality, and performance, supporting your body in a holistic and nourishing way. With these sources and usage guidelines, you're equipped to naturally boost your vitamin D levels, paving the way for improved health and performance. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.